Today, I'm going to show you 25 tips based on my personal experience as a tourist who has traveled all of Japan over the last decade. They will save you money and a lot of frustration. And even if you've done your research, I guarantee there's something in here you likely haven't heard yet. Number 1 is you won't find the trash bin when you need it. You'll finish eating and then you'll realize there's nowhere to throw it away. Unlike Western countries, tourists are usually surprised to find that public bins are rare in Japan. You could end up carrying your trash with you with nowhere to throw it away, so carry a small bag with you and dispose of it at your hotel room, at konbinis, train stations, or the moment you see a bin. Number 2, Japan is not as cashless as you think. You walk into a small restaurant and the card gets declined, not because it's failed, but because they don't take cards. In Japan, always carry cash. Although major stores and chains will accept cards, smaller establishments might not, especially outside of big cities. Thankfully, it's easier to take out cash from ATMs at konbinis like 7-Elevens. Number 3, trains will leave without you. If it says 10 a.m., it leaves at 10 a.m. Do not underestimate the punctuality of public transport in major cities. Funny story here, I once was nearly left behind during a river cruise because I thought 10 a.m. meant boarding time. Nope, the boat was already leaving. Number 4, trains stop earlier than expected. Japan's train system is amazing, but miss the last train, often around midnight, and your options become very limited. It's easy to lose track of time and lose the last train, meaning your best option is a long walk or an expensive taxi back to the hotel. Number 5, some food is dangerously hot. Not spicy, just extremely hot. Takoyaki, soup dumplings. Don't make the mistake of eating the moment you get them. Let them cool down or you will burn your mouth. Number 6 is use Google Maps smarter. Search in Japanese, not just English, to get the local listings and ratings. And go even further and search for Anaba. It means hidden gem in Japanese. You can thank me by subscribing. Number 7, you might accidentally break the law. Yeah. Tourists must carry their physical passport at all times. This is not just a suggestion. Police can stop and ask to see your passport. They check to see if you are legally allowed to be in the country and if you're overstaying your visa. Number 8, IC cards don't always work. Your Suica, it works great until suddenly it doesn't. Especially outside of major areas, there are some buses and even local trains outside of major cities that might not accept it. Always have backup cash. Number 9 is Tokyo distances will humble you. In Tokyo, something that looks close might be a 25 or a 30-minute walk, and it adds up quick. And before you know it, you can't walk the next day. And number 10 is you'll take your shoes off more than you expect. Restaurants, temples, fitting rooms, it happens a lot. So wear easy to remove shoes and don't forget nice socks. Number 11, lunch is where you save money. Choose to make your main meal lunch. Restaurants often have cheaper set menus. Same restaurant, similar dishes, cheaper set menus during lunch. Number 12, portions can surprise you. In the same way that some portions might be child-sized in comparison to your country, pizza for example, sometimes it's the other way around. In Hiroshima, okonomiyaki looks manageable. It's not. Number 13, tipping will confuse people. Simply don't tip. It's not expected and can feel awkward. The price you see is what you pay. Number 14 is convenience stores are your reset button. You won't just find food, you'll often find air conditioning, toilets, and many have seating, which are great options for quick rest stops. Perfect when you need a break. Now the whilst you're there insider tips. These are the things that I've learned whilst traveling through Japan. Number 15, don't be afraid to go into local only looking places. No tourist does not equal not welcome. It often means that you found somewhere better. Don't be afraid of entering places that look very Japanese because after all, you are in Japan. Number 16, ask the locals. Asking locals simple questions like where do you recommend, or what's your favorite restaurant, or where is there a quiet shrine can lead to an amazing place no guide would ever mention. Number 17 is use your nationality as a conversation starter. People are curious about where you're from. And yes, it's important to know the basics. Konnichiwa, arigato, etc. But learning how to say your country in Japanese goes a very long way. You'll be surprised how many times you'll be asked what country you are from. Number 18 is try one solo exploration session. Japan is generally a safe country, which is perfect to find yourself. Even if you're with others, set aside time to explore on your own, one evening or one morning. You will notice more and you will explore differently, and often have better interactions with locals too. Number 19 is stop overthinking what you might need. Forgot something? Just buy it. Japan is incredibly convenient and often affordable. Head to Konbinis or Don Quijote stores. Number 20 is trains have different types. Watch carefully. It's easy to accidentally end up on a train that misses your stop altogether. Not every train stops at every station. In Japan, there are express, semi-express, and local trains, each stopping at more or less stations. Get on the right one. Number 21 is look up, not just straight ahead. Japan's cities are vertical. In the West, we're used to having everything at ground level, but in Japan, some of the best spots are on upper floors or even in basements. Check building signs. Number 22 is depachika or department stores are hidden food gold mines. Department store basements are packed with amazing food, curated and often the highest of qualities. Go before closing and you'll find discounts, and because your hotel room will likely have a fridge, it's a great opportunity to stock up. Number 23, it took me a while to learn this, but headphones are essential on trains. Trains are quiet, so no loud audio, no speakerphone. If you're like me and you receive voice messages or simply want to watch a video during a long commute, headphones are essential. Number 24, stations are confusing even for locals. Shinjuku Station in Tokyo has around 200 exits and it can feel like a maze. If you're meeting someone, pick an exit, not a station to meet them at. And talking about Shinjuku Station in Tokyo, my go-to exits are either the east or the west exits. No number and easy to find. I personally also rely on Google Maps, which gets me out of 99% of situations where I'm lost. And I use Sakura Mobile for mobile data, which I find has great reception and is reliable. It's something you are likely going to get and a great way to support the channel. Thank you in advance. Number 25 is don't panic about crowds. Japan is busy, that's normal. Adjust your timing, not your expectations. There might be some places where you can avoid crowds altogether, but you can avoid peak times. Japan isn't difficult to travel, but it is different. And most of these things you only realize once you're already there. If you know them ahead of time, everything becomes smoother, and this video here also will certainly help you get your Japan planning sorted out. You should definitely watch this one next.